This is Grant from Perceptive Data. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to create a word cloud using Tableau Desktop. So for this example I have a data set called Ballarat Registered Animals, which is an open source data set provided by the City of Ballarat, which has a collection of the registered animals, dogs and cats in the area. So to start with, what I'm going to do is firstly drag the animal names out onto the text here, because what we're going to do is create a word cloud with the most popular animal names. So we can see there that we've got quite a lot of animal names. In fact, we've more than filled the screen. So our next step will be to filter these to just have the ones that appear the most predominantly. So I'll go down to the number of records, drag that up to our filter, and then we'll filter on the sum of our records. And let's say, for example, we want to see only in our view animal names that have at least 15 registrations within the area. So we'll put at least 15 and click on OK. And we can see there we've got a lot less now cats and dogs listed. Let's say that we're also just interested in dogs. So we're going to take the type here and filter that one and just include dogs. And you can do your own data preparation depending on what your data set is. So now I've got the list of all the different dog names across the municipality of Ballarat. Now it's time to turn this into a word cloud. So what we're going to do is set the size of the dog name depending on how many records there are for each dog. So it's just a matter of going down to number of records and dragging this up to size here. And we'll see, okay, maybe not exactly what we expected to start with is that we've got boxes around these. So the quick way to change from the squares there is to change it from automatic and go down to text. And we'll now get our names back. You will notice in the middle there, the one with the most names is actually called no name. So we're going to click on that one and just remove that one. That means probably the owner maybe hasn't named their little dog as just yet while they've registered. So we'll exclude that one with a right click. And now I can see that Molly, there's 481 records of Molly and 500 records of Bella. We can stop there, or what we might want to do is give this a bit of colour to make it stand out. What I like to do is use the number of records as the colour. If we click and drag that up to the colour, we'll see this gradient effect happen, where the ones that are most prevalent are more easy to read and sort of stand out for us. If we wanted to change that colour, one of the palettes that I like to use is the orange to blue diverging. So we'll click on that one and I'll reverse that so that the ones that are more prevalent are going to come out in orange. We'll click on OK, and that creates a nice little display there where we can see quite clearly our most common dog names. If you like the rainbow effect, you can also get rid of the colour for the number of records there. So I'll click on that and drag that out. And say you're interested in just giving every dog a different colour, we could then drag animal name into the colour there, and we get that nice rainbow effect. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed watching the video and have learned how to quickly develop a word cloud using Tableau.